Look at this result. This AI virtual try-on tool can do much more than just transfer clothes onto a person. It can accurately preserve and transfer prints, patterns, logos, and fine clothing details while keeping the person looking natural. In this video, I'll show you how to install FASHN VTON version 1.5, set it up locally, and use the complete virtual try-on workflow step by step. We'll test different clothing images, see how well it handles logos and detailed designs, and check out the final results. So, let's install it and see what FASHN VTON version 1.5 can really do. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit the official main page for FASHN VTON version 1.5. This is where you can find everything you need to know about the project, including the features, requirements, installation instructions, examples, and information about how the model works. And one of the best things is that the developers have also provided a Hugging Face space so you can actually try FASHN VTON version 1.5 online before installing anything on your computer. To install locally, you need at least 3 GB graphic card, Cuda toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, VisualStudio ffmpeg. Git for Windows. I have made a playlist which will help you installing these dependencies. Once you're ready on Hugging Face space, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to have this installed it, and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Paste code you copied to clone this. Now go to clone folder, copy its path. Then in command window type cd space and paste path you copied. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Copy pip upgrade code and paste back in command window to upgrade pip. Now install PyTorch. First, make sure Cuda toolkit is installed and what version it is. Go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your Cuda version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change Cuda version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder, open requirements file. Remove Torch from list and save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, remove ONX Runtime GPU FRM list if your Cuda toolkit is 11.8 and you installed PyTorch 11.8. Now install ONX Runtime GPU. Now finally run main code. When you see local URL, copy and paste in your browser. This will launch FASHN VTON. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click this run file and use FASHN VTON anytime you want. To use, upload body picture and shirt, dress or pants picture. It is important to choose what exactly you are going to try. Try different seeds to get the kind of result you want and click Try On. And that's it for FASHN VTON version 1.5. Fire! If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and tutorials. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.